Imagine trying to live a single day without numbers, no time on your clock, no money in your wallet, no phone number to call your friends. Impossible, right? Today, we go back to the ever beginning. What is a number? I'm Abedi Barbosa and welcome to Ready to MIT. This playlist will take you step by step from the foundation of math all the way to advanced topics. In this first lesson, we'll discover the most fundamental idea, the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers we use to count. For example, we have, I can write here 0, okay? We have here 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and so on, okay? Forever. We write this as n, okay? And I can write here 0, 1, 2, 3, and to the infinite. Thousands of years ago, humans invented numbers to count sheep, food, and trade goods. And today, we're still using them for everything. I'm talking about seconds in a day, money in a bank, or even counting your YouTube subscriber. Okay, I'm going to show you the basic operations of natural numbers. We have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, and we have division. Okay, here in addition, for example, you have two apples. Okay, you have two apples, and your daddy will give you more three apples. Look that here, you're gonna have two apples, okay, plus three apples that your daddy gave you, and you're gonna have five apples, okay, is what happened here. And look here, you have subtraction. For example, you have $10, okay, and spend four, and you spend $4. You're gonna have $6. Okay, and here in multiplication, what happened? For example, you have 4 multiplied, because this is the symbol used to multiply. 3 is the same to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. And doing this, you're gonna have 4 multiplied by 3 equal 12. Okay, and here in division, for example, you have 12 chocolates shared among for kids. For example, you have 12 chocolates shared among for uh, 4 kids. You're gonna have 3 chocolates. Is this the way that you have to use the basic operations of natural numbers? Right now, I'm going to show you the properties of the numbers, the operation with numbers, because operation follow special rules called properties. First, we have commutative. And what happened here? For example, you have here 2 plus 3 is the same to writing 3 plus 2. And here in associative, you have, for example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is the same to write 2 plus 3, okay, plus 4. If you didn't get here in commutative, I'm going to show you with other example. For example, you have here 20 plus 5 is the same to write 5 plus 20. And other example, for example, you have here 5 plus 6 is the same to writing 6 plus 5. Okay? And here in associative, for example, you have um, 10 plus 2 plus 3 is the same to writing 10, okay, plus 2 plus 3, okay. And giving other example, for example, here you have 2 plus 5, okay, plus 10 is the same to writing 2, okay, plus 5 plus 10. The last property is called identity element. I'm going to write here what happened here. For example, if you have, okay, if you have 10, adding 0 change nothing. The value of this expression is 10 because 0 don't change nothing here. Okay, this is called identity element. And I'm going to show you other example. For example, you have here 5 plus 0 equal 5 because 0 don't change nothing here. Okay, so today we saw the natural numbers are the foundation of maths. In the next lesson, we'll go by your natural numbers and explore other things. If you want to master mathematics step by step, like and subscribe and join me on this road to MIT.